In a recent video I showed how to use superglue along with baking soda to make a really tough connection here. Believe me, this isn't going anywhere, and it's a great alternative to messing around with epoxies and other types of glue. It was kind of buried in that video, so I thought I'd give it some extra exposure here just to make a quick top tip on this Sino trick, and also a tip on storage, which has suited me well as well. So I hope you'll subscribe, and look forward to seeing you for more top tips soon. Here you can see I've put the baking powder, baking soda in place. Now let's get my faithful super glue. Just a couple of drops there, and that will do. And believe me, this stuff goes off harder than anything you will believe, and it will keep that firmly in place. So that's the finished result, and as I say, if you haven't tried this trick, go and try it now on something. You just won't believe how tough that is. Yet another top tip: if you're tired of only getting one use out of your little tube of cyanoacrylate, the trick is make sure that the little nozzle inside is clear of any residue glue. Get yourself a little bag of desiccant. Make sure that's dried out, and maybe pop it in the microwave for 15-20 seconds. Then pop them both into a sealable plastic bag. Remove as much air as you can. Seal that up and pop it in the freezer. And the next time you want to use it, just bring it out and let it warm up to room temperature, and you'll be good to go.